This
Food review.
food review
Welcome. Today
recorded
I'm gonna
by me
mix cola
and
with
possibly
milk.
Axel. Wait, did you?
Hello guys, Blue Doctor here, and today I mixed cola with milk, and it's not very delicious. Let me drink some
Did
cola.
you
Yes.
actually just mix it?
Leave a like if you drink like that. Okay, so today we have crispy dip and extra dip sauce, which is very delicious.
Oh shit! Some product placement. Oh shit! Some product.
There's some
And
German
it's been
stuff that I don't
placed.
understand.
With
Oh, you have a magnet. That's very nice.
Oh shit! Is magnet.
And I have no idea what it says. It says
Burger King Lieferservice.
Lieferservice.
Burger suchen ein Zuhause.
No, there was something else.
To the fucking cat.
Yes, I will give this to my cat because it really likes magnets. Okay, let me drink my milk with cola. Very delicious.
Some snort into my milk.
You just nutted in your milk? What?
I just nut to my milk, yes.
Okay, this is a special recipe which I always do. Okay, let's just
Some
review the Burger King. So now we have a
So
bunch
this
of
is
trash.
food.
Okay. Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna
Those food.
is the hold on, let me
Let it
just
rip.
grab my it's a French fries, I think. And this is
Not a French fries.
it's a bag. It's a bag in a French fries box. This is actually my first time ordering a Burger King, so I have no idea. Hello there, pussy. How you doing?
Listen. Where are my chicken McNuggets? Where the fuck are my 20 chicken McNuggets? What the fuck? Where are my...
It seems like that they
My
forgot my
disappointment is
chicken
immeasurable.
nuggets.
And my
My,
days.
Did I just scammed? Hold on.
my chicken nuggets have not arrived. Oh no, they're there. They are. Okay. Let me just get a sip of cola. Delicious.
The
Alright.
fucking Mish commentary.
The pussy is attractive. Okay.
The Mish doctor.
Mishstar. This is my bag. And this is my milk. Okay. Let me actually review stuff. So right now I want to grab the barbecue dip. Yes. It's very delicious.
God
I
damn
would
it. I
also
hope I can
add
rotate
my milk.
this.
The Kirby dip, which I never really heard of that. And this is hold on, let me fuck my camera. Extra hot dip.
Please
hot.
don't fuck your camera.
It's really
It's very
great.
out of focus.
Okay, so right now I'm gonna make a column out of this because I'm a creative person. And I'm gonna
Column?
drink my milk,
One creative person, yes.
or maybe not. Maybe it's a good idea, but I'm a crazy person because the milk might spill up.
That was like a really bad idea.
Probably
And
I'm
that's
a really
how you get a
crazy
mug
person.
holder.
Look at this little minion.
Life
He looks
hacks.
so cute. Okay, this is the French fries, I think.
No.
Oh no, it's chicken nuggets. Delicious. Let me have a taste.
Delicious.
Let's start some extra dip
Let's
with the barbecue.
Open up
You
the
know,
dip,
it's
which
really
is
hard for me
difficult to
to
do with one
focus.
hand, which is why I'm gonna put the
Yes.
camera down. Oh shit, it
Yes,
magically
hold on, let
opened.
me just. There we go. All right. There's the extra dip. A bon appetit for me, and you're not eating.
Fucking delicious.
Delicious. Fucking delicious. Yes.
I'm gonna put it
eat
back.
this chicken
It's
nuggets.
really good.
Leave a
Yes,
like if
let's
you like milk. And
Drink some
I'm actually,
milk cola.
I'm really nervous because the milk is filled with cola a little bit, and I might speed that up. So right now,
Just root my milk for me.
okay. Delicious. I would not
It's
in
so
that milk
delicious,
together.
it's disgusting.
Oh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna do a little promotion while reviewing this food. Uh, do you know that I like one channel and his name is Mishstar 2.0? I would really recommend you to subscribe to this channel because it is really cool.
And while we're at the shoutouts, don't forget to go subscribe to the Blue Doctor and Ashton and the Blue Ashton and Van
and
and
don't forget to
Axel because
subscribe
Axel is
to
very active and Van as well.
subscribe to Van. He does a really good Kingdom Hearts Let's Plays.
Yeah,
One of
and
my,
he hasn't uploaded in 2 years.
which is amazing. It's just like my history. Okay, this is a cheeseburger.
You can see
Cheeseburger,
by the
yes.
cheese.
Yes,
Cheese pork.
it's a really fucked up. Oh, it actually says it's probably double cheeseburger. I would taste it right now. Maybe I'm not. Okay, let me just get some sauce or maybe some
Raw
chicken
sauce.
nuggets.
Sauce.
The great. Before I eat my
Nom.
cheeseburger, I just swallow a nugget. Delicious. You see
Delish.
that? Delicious. Okay, I'm gonna drink my cola.
Look, 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 look.
You know, I'm actually a little bit tired to say everything that I am doing right now, like grabbing cola, drinking cola. You know, it's a little bit-
Especially saying that I'm gonna drink cola while drinking cola.
Yeah. I think I just drinked cola. Okay, now I'm back
Drinked.
to
Good English.
Okay, so my this is some good spice that we have now, and I think I'm gonna eat a cheeseburger right now. Yes, I'm definitely gonna eat a cheeseburger. Delicious and alien cheeseburger. Okay.
Cough, cough.
Oh, excuse
I'm
me,
dying.
I just coughed a little bit. I have a pussy right now. Ooh.
This cat.
Hey there.
That is Cookie from Slivky Show.
Slivky Show. No way, you know this channel too.
It's
Hey, pussy, you want some milk?
some
I got
milk
milk.
and a magnet and trash.
This is all for you. I hope you
All
like
hail
it.
the cat. And
Happy birthday.
Axel left.
Happy birthday to my pussy. Okay, no more milk for you. You're a bad cat.
You had enough milk.
You had enough. Beautiful milk. I always like to rub my milk.
Seriously, with the fucking fucking rubbing the milk. It just reminded me of How to Basic. Blue, don't pull a How to Basic. Please, don't make
Guys,
a
did
mess.
you know that I'm actually at how to basic? How to basic?
Lager suchen ein Zuhause.
And this is my
And now you throw an egg.
yes. And now,
How to
and now
Basic always throws an egg.
I feel
Don't
like
actually
I just
throw an
another-
egg.
Ooh, this is a nice eggplant.
Instead of throwing an egg, he throws an eggplant.
Yes, I feel like I'm gonna throw an egg into a wall and then I'll get in trouble because this idea is really
Because
dumb.
apparently throwing eggplants at the wall isn't very quiet.
And now I'll get some sausages because I like sausages.
Especially considering that I just ordered food. Has barely
Yes.
ever eaten something. Oh, you're gonna not feed it to the cat.
No, I'm gonna try the sausage. Yes, because
Taking it from the cat. Oh, that you're cruel.
you know, like I feel like I'm becoming a little bit of an asshole because I'm not letting my cat have a sausage. I'm not letting the pussy have a sausage. You know, it's a really bad thing. Follow me and my sausage, and I will give you my sausage. There you go, and 100% beef sausage.
Beef, sausage, beef.
Psych! Haha! You don't deserve my sausage.
You should
Now go
you
on.
should have put it in the fucking beef bag.
Yes. Now I'm gonna search for my trash.
He literally. Oh my god.
You know, I might not actually. No, no. Yes, I actually thought that would be a Burger King food review, but it became like
But it became cat torture.
cat torture. Yes. Subscribe to monsterdrink.com/BlueDoctor so we can get my
So you
100% beef
can get my discount code slash.
discount 100% beef code.
The discount code is beef rules for life, and beef is beef.
And I feel like that's all I
Burger
ordered
King beef.
from the Burger King. I ordered one fucking sausage from the Burger King, and now back to
And they
review
delivered.
food.
And now back
And
to the
now-
actual food.
And now I'm gonna eat my cola.
He's gonna eat his fucking.
Okay, I'm
Go
gonna
away, Poos.
drink
This
my
is mine.
cola.
You have your sausage. That's all you'll get for the next week.
This cola tastes like Burger King food lettuce. And
Oh shit.
right now
It's
it's time-
10.
it's 10 p.m. You know what time it is? It's time to eat some. It's time to eat some French fries. That's right. Yum 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 yum. Delicious. Oh no, I lied to you. I actually didn't eat my French fry. Yum 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 yum. Delicious. This is actually very good. And now I'm
Not
gonna
using
drink my milk.
mayonnaise, shaking my head.
And I think I just dropped my camera into milk. So I hope you enjoy this Milky Way adventure. Okay, never mind. I just bited a hamburger, which is delicious. Leave a like if you like smashing burgers.
And drinking cola.
As you can see, it says blurry
It
litter.
says out of focus.
It says out of focus cola. And this is a new type of cola that I ordered. It's only in Burger King food lettuce. Hey, pussy, you want some nigger nuggets?
Wow!
Is this
You
a
want some
Beyblade?
nuggets? You want some nuggets? You want some beef nuggets, pussy?
Beef chicken nuggets?
Now you see it. Now you can't see it. Nom yum 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 yum. Delicious nugger.
He just magicked it out of his hands.
Wow, I'm such a magician.
I'm
Do you
gonna
want
magic
this?
a piece of this away from in front of your
Do you
eyes.
want this?
Just watch the
beautiful-
magic happen.
Do you want this beautiful chicken nugget?
Wow,
Covered in the barbecue
It's
dip.
gone.
And now
What
it's
a
gone.
great magic trick. Fuck you, Poos.
Puss. Winnie Puss. Winnie the Puss. Kingdom Hearts owners.
Oh shit.
And now I'm gonna squish my cola because I like squishing my cola. And now I'm gonna watch over my pussy. My pussy looks beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna drink my cola. Or maybe not. So right now I have no idea what I'm actually doing, and I'm just trying to look at my food that I have right now. As you can see, Burger King. Leave a like if you already have that food delivered to you. Leave a dislike if you don't like the Blue Ashton channel. Okay, so now I'm okay. I actually have no idea what am I supposed to say. This is a cat, as you can see right now, and this is a magnet that I really don't like because it says Liefer service, and no, I'm not giving it to Pussy because Pussy does not deserve it. If you give magnet to Pussy, you don't give magnet to Pussy. You only. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, now back to my food review. And
I
today
was
we're gonna
just.
eat
I'm
a
back.
chicken. We're gonna give a chicken nugget to a slivki. I don't know. I'm gonna give a chicken nugget to my cat.
Isn't that good for cats? Like,
And
I know
now I'm
cats
not gonna.
shouldn't drink alcohol, but
My cat seems so surprised when I didn't when I
it seems to
gave
like
my
it.
yes.
It
What?
just took it. It just took the nugget. Get back here, motherfucker. That's my nugget.
No,
I have ordered this. Did you pay for this? I don't think so. Fuck you. I'm gonna take off your light. You don't have any electricity anymore.
now this is gonna be a lesson for you old guys. Don't give a chicken nugget to a cat
Or else
because
the
otherwise,
power will go out in that specific room.
the cat will steal it anyways. Okay, so back to my food review. The Burger King delivered me a half-eaten burger, which is really nice. That's how I like it. Yes, very nice. I really like when my burgers are half-eaten and when my chicken nuggets are stolen by cats, and my dips are almost open. Yes, as you can see, this is extra hot dip, and this is my nut.
My nut with cola. And
This is my nut with cola.
and this was a bottleneck.
This is a happy minion, and he wants some cola with nut. Okay, right now I am running out of breath. I don't know when I'm. Yes. Oh yes. I like my chicken. I like my
Wobbly
burger.
earthquake.
Oh no, the earthquake is happening. Oh no. Oh no, this is gonna happen right now. Please subscribe to my burger channel, King. BlueDoc. Burger channel, King BlueDoc. Yes.
The burger doctor.
Subscribe to my burger doctor. A new channel available right now for $3.99.
The channel is to be bought.
Yes. Right now I'm gonna inspect some pussy. As you can see, my pussy already ate my fucking chicken nugget. What the fuck, pussy? Huh? What do you think you're doing, huh? You think you paid for this chicken nugget, huh? You think you're so
Oh,
smart?
it only half ate it.
I'm gonna I'm gonna take your chicken nugget from you because I'm an evil asshole. Or maybe I'm not gonna give it away because the cat already ate this. Haha, this is my
It almost
chicken.
ate the nugget.
Okay, I'm gonna be a really nice person and just leave a chicken nugget to my cat. And definitely not gonna take it from him because I'm such a nice person. I'm such a good owner. Leave a like if you like me.
Leave a like for this scooter. This scooter is the
Yes.
shit.
Yes, no. This scooter is really powerful. You know,
It
I
can
had a story
scoot.
because I had a noise complaint. My neighbors heard me that I'm riding a scooter on
They
on a
think
ceiling and a
riding a
walls.
scooter into a wall isn't quiet, but I say, pff, have you heard stuff exploding? That one isn't quiet. In comparison
you
to
heard-
that, a scooter to a wall is very quiet. Now anyway, back to Cole and Burger.
Yes, Call of Burgers. And today I'm gonna. My cola is delicious. And
Ah,
once
and
again,
my one sausage.
yes, once again, it
don't
was
feel like
delivered by a
sausage.
guy. I asked him, "Can you give me your sausage?" And he just gave me my sausage. And I guess this is it for epic food reviews of the Blue Food
Blue food.
Blue Food Doctor. Leave a like if you like my pickle, my left pickle.
What?
And this
If you
is
like
my
pickles on burger, press 1 now.
Okay, I
Press
don't know
the
how long
0
I got.
on YouTube.
Okay, so this is gonna be the end of my food review because I feel like yes, leave a like if you like this ceiling. Leave a okay sign if you want to have my burger. Leave a bro fist if you don't like PewDiePie. Leave a weep. Leave a nay nay if you like Silent Toe. Leave a like if you like my broken finger.
Leave a dislike if you like me.
Leave a dislike. If you
Leave a
like
like
me.
if you like me. Leave anything
Leave
in
a-
between if you like me.
Leave a. What am I supposed to say?
Oh
after
shit,
that?
we looked in. Oh no.
Leave a like. Leave a. Leave a fucking finger if you
Leave
like
a
it.
lamp.
Leave a lamp. Yeah, leave a ceiling if you like
Look.
ceilings.
We looked in the circle. God damn it. Now we're all gonna die. He got
Oh.
us.
I guess this is the end of our food review. So leave a like if you like that circle, and leave a like if you like my wounds.
I think he's trying to tell us that we should cancel this. Okay, I'm gonna
Yes.
end